Hi! Curious Como.
Huh?
What is it? Found another cool thing!
What is it?
It has so many buttons!
Uba, uba.
Gummy, try pressing something. Anything?
Uba. Uba.
Oh my! How did this happen? Uba stopped!
What? Uba has stopped? Oh, it can't be. Should I press something else?
Booba.
So cool!
Incredible!
Uba. Uba.
All right, we can control Uba. What does this button do? Yep.
Uba.
Bigger, bigger, bigger. Get bigger, 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 bigger.
That's too big!
Get smaller, 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 smaller. Get smaller, smaller.
Uba! Uba-ba! Uba! Uba-ba!
Uba got smaller! Uba, you're so cute!
Uba.
What button is this? Yep.
Ba! Ba!
Well. Yep. Yep.
That's so funny!
Uba keeps changing!
Como, keep changing it!
Uba is more fun than television. Como, that's enough. You'll break Uba. Hi, Como. What did you meet today? You met a remote control today. What did you think about it? I'm curious.
You are?
It can control the TV like it controls Uba.
Uba!
Just like it stopped Uba mid-air, it can stop the TV screen.
That's so funny!
Just like it changed Uba, it can change the channels on the TV. Wow, that must have been so much fun. Como, I'll see you next time. Bye.
What is this? It sounded cool.
Okay, let's use the almighty remote control.
Uba.
It's sucking in dust. It's so loud. It's amazing.
Uba.
It's a small cave.
All right, one more time.
Wow. The cave is sucking in dust.
Suck them all in. Hey.
I just heard something blow up.
I'm so dizzy.
What happened just now?
One, two. He's stuck on so badly.
One, two.
Hi, Como. What did you meet today? Oh, you met a vacuum cleaner. What did you think about it? I'm curious.
Whoa, it's sucking
The
in
vacuum
dust.
cleaner makes noise.
It's so loud. It's amazing.
The vacuum cleaner sucks in dust. The vacuum cleaner gathers the dust.
What happened just now?
Wow, that must have been so much fun. Como, I'm curious about next time.
Bye.
Wow, I see something interesting.
What are they?
What is this? It's stuck on tight. How strange. What happened? What is this?
I found something interesting. Me too. They're stuck. They're really stuck.
Baba.
What is this?
This is called a magnet. Things made of metal like nails, keys, and clips stick on magnets. And magnets have N and S poles. The opposite poles stick, and the same poles push each other away. Fascinating, right?
So this is a magnet. Wow, fascinating.
Wow, Uba.
Metals get stuck on them. Aha!
Uba.
Ta-da! What do you think?
Uba.
What's going on? Beats me.
Wait and see.
Uba. Uba.
啊！
on the magnet! The Wooba has What's happening? He's completely stuck! I knew this would Well, they're toys! Mine! Well, a car! Yeah, vroom! It's a nice car! Vroom, vroom, vroom! Do you want to see who's faster? You run!
Gomo and Toto are at the start line. Who will win this car race? Off they go! Toto takes the lead, but Gomo is close behind. After the curve, they're going straight. Gomo takes the lead.
Right, left, right, left, right.
It's a jump pad.
Here it goes.
This is a very tight race. The finish line is in sight.
All right, booster on!
What? Me too. Booster on. Here we go.
The winner is... Oh, who won? Shall we see it in slow motion? Wow! Gomo came in first! The winner is Gomo! Gomo, congratulations! Toto, you did a great job too!
It was so close.
Hi, Gomo! What did you meet today? Oh, a car! What did you think about it? I'm curious. Cars have wheels.
Wow, it's a car.
You can ride a car.
It's a nice car.
They're off. Toto takes the lead, but Gomo is close behind. Cars are fast. Wow, Gomo! That must have been so much fun. I'm curious about next time.
Let's go, let's go! What are these?
They look weird. Wow, they're big. Wow.
What is this?
I don't know. What is it?
I wonder what we'll meet today. Wow, it has so many small leaves. They look cushiony. Is it a tree? It looks like a vegetable.
I
I got it! We're meeting a broccoli today.
A broccoli.
It looks like a huge tree.
I know. It has things that look like leaves.
Como, should we color the broccoli?
Oh,
No, broccolis aren't red.
oh,
Should we try another color?
oh.
No, broccolis aren't blue either. That's it! Broccolis are green. Good job, Como.
Oh, aha! Oh. Ta-da!
Wow, a swing! It looks like so much fun!
Uba.
Uba, push me hard, okay?
Uba. Uba.
It's so fun! So high!
What is that?
It's a dinosaur!
Run away!
Get in the kite!
Hurry, hurry! Hurry and get in!
That was close!
He's not coming after us, is he?
Uba. Uba. Uba.
Over there, too!
It's a flight of dinosaurs! This looks interesting. What is it? A mirror? It's hard. Wow! Wow, how did you do that? I just tapped it. So cool! Let's touch something. Yeah. Wow! It's a camera! Our faces are showing! Do I look okay? Yeah, smile! Smile! Huh? What is this? That looks weird! It's so funny! Should we try something else? It looks so funny! Me too, me too! Oh! Cool! Look at your face! It's so weird! Let's try something else this time. Wow! Dinosaurs! Hurry and run away! Hide fast! This is fun! Oh, what is it? What is it? How do I work it? Is this it? Yeah.
Can you see me?
Uba! Wow, so awesome! Wow, how did you get in there?
This is called a video call.
A video call? We were watching an animation.
Animation? That sounds fun.
Let's watch together. Come over.
We'll be right there. Hold on.
Tutu, over here.
Come on. Let's watch together. Wow, dinosaurs.
It's more fun to watch together.
Hi, Como. What did you meet today? Oh, you met a smartphone today. What did you think about it? I'm curious.
You are? Do I look okay? Yeah. Smile.
Smartphones can take pictures.
Huh? Let's try something else.
Smartphones can be used to watch animations.
Hide! How do I work it? Is this it?
Smartphones can make or take calls. Wow, Como! That must have been so much fun. I'm curious about next time.
Bye.